my name is Laura Simmons. I'm the Director of Enrollment Management here at Blue Ridge Community College, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our Aviso retention software and about our student academic early alerts. So come on in. Let's sit down and take a look. So you may be thinking, where do I log into Aviso? And I'm going to go ahead and let you know that there is a really helpful link available on the Insider under the Useful Links tab, as you can see here. So you'll click here, you scroll down this list, and you're going to see there's quite a few things on here. Aviso is second from the top. You'll click that. It's going to take you directly in, and you'll be on your dashboard immediately. So from here, you're going to be able to get a little bit of information about your caseload. As you can see, I'm currently logged in as a faculty member, and you're going to be able to see some persistence information, some completion information. So all of that's going to be housed on your dashboard, which you can customize, which is something we can, go into later, not something we're going to cover today. So bare bones, what are you going to need to do as faculty to file an academic early alert on a student? So simply looking at your dashboard, you're going to see several tabs at the top. You're going to go to the Courses tab. From the Courses tab, you're going to be able to see your entire list of classes that you're teaching that semester. From that list, if you click on the link associated with the course, that course roster will load, and you're going to see all the students within your section. So as you can see, the students are color-coded. They're various shades of yellow, red, and green, based upon their persistence risk and completion risk. As you drill down into this and as we use Aviso, it will continue to get smarter, and some of these things will change as the students complete more courses, or as Aviso continues to use the predictive analytics to assess their persistence issues within the course. So if we're looking at a student in this class, we can see that this student is colored yellow. So we're going to click on this student because maybe we need to do an academic early alert so that their success coach can reach out to them. So we click on the name. It's going to load the student's profile. That's the first thing you're going to see, which is going to give you basic information from colleague about the student. Name, information as far as their address, who is their advisor. All of that will be pretty centrally located for you here. From this page, you're actually going to be able to look at several tabs with several, topics of information. But for the purpose of this video today, you're going to see this information at the top that says alert, and there's a small bell beside it. And if you hover, you're going to see create an alert for the student's name. So you'll click on this option. It's going to bring up another menu. From this menu, you're going to be able to click on this drop down. On the drop down, the very first one is academic early alert. So if you're filing an alert on a student, this needs to happen as soon as possible. The earliest you can file the alert, the best possible outcome we're going to have for this student. So if you're clicking on the academic early alert because the student is maybe struggling in their course, maybe they are suddenly not doing as well as they had previously done. Maybe you've noticed a change in behavior. Maybe you feel like something's going on and you just want some outreach provided to the student. That's a great time to go ahead and do the alert. So you'll select academic early alert. You will then notice there is a golden box that says the student will be notified of this alert. So that means the student is going to get an email copy and a push notification if they have downloaded the Aviso app, and will be able to see the contents of this alert. So please be mindful of what you put in the comment box, since the student will be able to see this. Okay, so you'll enter the comment into the box. If you have information that you need to provide to the success coach or the student services counselor, you'll put that information in the internal comment box. That's information the student will not be able to see. So if you have something that's particularly concerning that you feel like a counselor or the success coach needs to know about, put that information in that box. Student won't be able to see that. They only see what's in the comment field. Once you've completed the alert, you'll click send. It's going to send it directly to the student's success coach, if they have one, the counselor and student services that's on their record, and their academic advisor will also be notified that the alert has been submitted. And then we will be able to do the outreach with the student and determine what resources that we need to employ with the student so that they can be the most successful. How can we help them salvage this class? How can we help them be successful? You can also refer a student to counseling through this same option, refer them to disability services, refer them to financial aid, refer them to veteran services. So those are several options that you can use for the staff-initiated alerts as sort of your first tool that you're going to use as part of using Aviso.